Hi there! I'm happy to show you how to create content, like news, events, or documents on the Interoperable Europe Portal, where your contributions help grow this amazing platform. This video is for anyone looking to add content to the portal. Whether you're from an organization, a public administration, or academia, you're in the right place. The Interoperable Europe Portal is your one-stop hub for everything related to cross-border interoperability in the EU public sector. As a collaborative platform, it's filled with content contributed by a diverse group of stakeholders. The content creation in the portal is available to organizations or businesses developing digital public services with or for the public sector, public administrations, EU, national, regional, local levels, and academia. You can create any type of content related to interoperability and digitalisation of public administration, from planning to implementation. Ready to create content? Let's get started. First, after signing in, you'll need to decide where your content will be published. To do that, find a relevant collection. These are spaces dedicated to specific topics. You can use the advanced search page to find the right collection. Just fine-tune the results using keywords and filters. On the left, you can also filter by content type and topics, and search directly for collections. Once you find a collection that aligns with your content, you'll need to become a member. Simply click on the Join This Collection button in the top right corner. After joining, refresh the page, and you'll see an orange button with a plus sign. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. Let's create a news item as an example. Start by adding the headline, a short title, and a brief description called an abstract. This basic info is what users will first see when searching for content. To make it more attractive, you can add a related picture under logo. Next, it's time to write the body of the article. Click on Add Layout to choose how your content will be displayed. You can pick from 1, 2, 3, or 4 columns. Let's go with a 2-column layout. We'll adjust the width to 67:33% by clicking on Layout Options. Now that you have the layout ready, you can just start adding content. Click on the plus button in the left column. You'll see options to add polls, videos, quotes, headings, and more. You can now click on the text box and add your text, formatting it the way you wish to. You can also add tables or a hyperlink. Click on Save, and then repeat the process on the right side column, and don't forget to enrich your content with images. Just click Choose File and upload from your computer. The news item's content area is customizable. To make your news item even more engaging, let's add an action button to encourage visitors to check the news item's original source. Click on the plus icon in the left column and select Call to Action. Enter the link and the message you want to display. Before you finish, choose related topics and add keywords to help users find your content easily. The last step is to click on the Propose button. But if you have not finished yet, you can also save it as a draft and continue editing it later. Depending on the collection, your content will either be published directly or sent to a moderator for approval. Here's an example of a published news item. You can follow the same steps to create event or document items. The only difference is that events have extra fields for date and location. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to add them below or contact the portal support team on the landing page footer. They're always happy to help.